If you're someone who feels inspired by natural textures, cozy lighting, and the quiet beauty of handmade decor, you're going to love today's creative journey. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where we turn simple, overlooked materials into stunning home transformations every single day. There's something special about working with wood that has already lived a life, pieces that might have been tossed aside, but still carry warmth, grain, and character. In this video, we are taking those forgotten scraps and shaping them into a rustic, nature-inspired lamp that doesn't just light up a room, but completely transforms its mood. So settle in, get comfortable, and let's create something beautiful together. There's something deeply satisfying about taking what most people would overlook and turning it into something that glows with warmth and character. This rustic nature-inspired scrap wood lamp begins with a simple idea that every offcut, every uneven fragment, and every textured surface holds potential. Instead of seeing waste, we see opportunity. Using scrap material for lamp design has so many benefits, and the first one is cost. The biggest expense in most handmade decor projects is raw material, but when you're working with offcuts, reclaimed boards, broken pallets, or workshop leftovers, your production cost drops dramatically. That means higher profit margins right from the start. Instead of spending heavily on new timber, you're turning what would have been waste into a sellable product. That's not just smart crafting, that's smart business. Another huge advantage is uniqueness. Scrap wood pieces are never identical. Each one has different grain patterns, knots, cracks, edges, and natural weathering. When you design a lamp using scrap material, the final product automatically becomes one of a kind. In today's market, customers are actively looking for unique, handmade, rustic, and eco-friendly decor. They don't want something that looks factory-made. Scrap-based lamp designs naturally deliver that authenticity, which increases perceived value. When something feels rare and handcrafted, people are willing to pay more for it. There's also a strong sustainability appeal. Eco-conscious living is no longer a trend, it's a lifestyle. Buyers love products that reduce waste and support environmental responsibility. When you market your scrap wood lamp as an upcycled, eco-friendly lighting piece, you're not just selling a lamp, you're selling a story. That emotional connection increases buyer interest and builds brand trust. Customers feel good knowing their purchase supports sustainable practices, and that feeling often turns into repeat business. From a creative standpoint, scrap material pushes innovation. Because the pieces are irregular, you're forced to think outside the box. You experiment with layering, shaping, stacking, and blending textures in ways you might not try with perfectly cut lumber. That creative flexibility leads to distinctive designs that stand out in online marketplaces, craft fairs, or social media platforms. The more visually unique your lamp looks, the more shareable it becomes, which increases visibility and potential sales. Scrap lamp designs are also scalable. You can create small bedside lamps, medium table lamps, or larger statement floor lamps depending on the available material. Since your base material cost is low, you can test different styles without financial risk. If one design becomes popular, you can reproduce a similar concept using different scrap combinations while still keeping each piece slightly different. That balance between consistency and uniqueness is powerful for building a profitable product line. Most importantly, using scrap materials builds a strong brand identity. It shows resourcefulness, creativity, and environmental awareness. Customers connect with that mindset. In short, scrap material in lamp design is not a limitation, it's an opportunity. It reduces costs, increases uniqueness, supports sustainability, enhances creativity, and maximizes profitability. What others see as waste can become your signature product and steady income stream. That's the real power of upcycling. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this project reflects a deeper commitment to sustainable living. Repurposing scrap wood reduces waste and encourages a mindful approach to design. It proves that eco-friendly choices can result in decor that feels high-end and meaningful. Each time the lamp is turned on, it stands as a reminder that creativity thrives when we reimagine what already exists. The emotional connection to something built by hand adds value that cannot be replicated by mass production. Texture becomes one of the most captivating features of the lamp. The grain patterns reflect light differently depending on their direction, while knots and natural markings create focal points that add depth. Instead of sanding everything smooth and uniform, we preserve the personality of each piece. Careful preparation ensures safety and durability, without erasing the story embedded in the wood. Once illuminated, those textures come alive, casting subtle highlights and shadows that shift gently across the surface. Building the internal structure requires thoughtful craftsmanship to ensure stability. Hidden supports secure the design while keeping the exterior clean and visually seamless. As the wood layers come together, the lamp transitions from scattered fragments into a cohesive artistic form. Watching this transformation unfold is incredibly rewarding because it demonstrates how intention and patience can elevate even the simplest materials. The choice of lighting is essential in shaping the atmosphere. A warm-toned bulb enhances the richness of the wood, bringing out golden undertones and earthy hues. When switched on, the light filters softly through small gaps in the arrangement, projecting delicate shadows onto nearby walls. This interplay between illumination and texture creates a calming, intimate ambience that feels both rustic and refined. The lamp doesn't overpower the space, instead, it gently enhances it. Finishing touches protect and enhance the natural beauty of the wood. A clear seal preserves texture while deepening color slightly, giving the surface a subtle richness without masking its authenticity. The final result feels polished yet grounded, sophisticated yet approachable. Placed on a bedside table, it creates a peaceful retreat. Positioned in a living room corner, it becomes an inviting accent that draws attention effortlessly. In a workspace, it inspires creativity with its warm glow and handcrafted charm. As the final glow fills the room, what remains is more than just a lamp. It is a testament to transformation, patience, and the beauty of natural materials. From discarded scraps to a radiant centerpiece, the journey highlights the power of imagination and craftsmanship. This rustic nature-inspired scrap wood lamp embodies warmth, authenticity, and individuality in a way that feels timeless. Thank you for spending this creative time with Kuki Decor. If this project inspired you, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who loves DIY decor, and subscribe to our channel for daily home design transformations. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new idea. Let's continue turning simple materials into stunning pieces that bring warmth and personality into our homes. I'll see you in the next project.